This should be fun. Okay, I'm in Marché Sandaga in Dakar. We're walking over to Marché Kermel. Gonna go try and find some food. Langosta and squid.
Le calamar, c'est le prince de crabe.
And calamar.
C'est le calamar, le prince de crabe. Et c'est Thiébou.
Thiébou. And would this be used for Thiéboudienne?
Oui, oui, oui.
Okay. So this is the Thiéboudienne with rice, okay. And this is Maffé. Look at those habaneros. So my guy over there directed me over to this stall to have a little Thiéboudienne, which is like rice with fish. Looks like you got some carrots, some sort of chili paste on there. I think it's called nokos. Some beautiful looking rice. Right at the market. That's Dakar down there. Coming in from the airport in Dakar in Senegal. Pretty good traffic jam here. Been stuck here for about an hour, but it's hot. Okay, we've arrived in Senegal. Amazing food. Occupied by the French until 1960. And then so you've got West African food mixed with French techniques, mixed with lots of spices. It's gonna be a lot of fun just bumping around Dakar for 5 days, maybe go up to St. Louis. And we're just gonna eat as much as we can, walk through as many markets as we can. So stupidly good. They have this little tamarind here. A little sour hit. It's like it's tamarind, so it kind of acts as like a lime. Beautiful. Perfect lunch. This is drying hibiscus. They use it for a drink here. Look at this old, beautiful market inside. So this is bissap, which is a very traditional vegetable here in Senegal. Hard to find in the States. I'm gonna go check out the train station they just built. They just built a high-speed train line. Go have a look at that. The Gare de Dakar, the beating heart of trains in Senegal. Look at that station. Okay, so that was about 1,500 Senegalese francs, and we're going to Diamniadio, wherever that is. Look at this brand new train. Riding the rails. Hopefully we get a decent view here. Well, like I said, brand new train, so it looks like this is a train to pretty much nowhere, end of the line. There's your station. And you kind of get off into nothingness, do you? So probably just ride back. There's a couple cool towns on the way that I might stop at. Here's your front door to the station. Okay, that concludes my round trip. We're gonna head into Dakar, try and find some dinner here. I mean, let's face it, it feels a little weird to be on a perfectly air-conditioned train rolling through the countryside when you're going past like a lot of poverty and a lot of people that aren't doing well. But I guess it's progress for the country. Here's the lamb hanging. Senegalese meal, very traditional. Friday night, perfect night for a little bit of beer and meat. What is it called? Dabiti?
Huh?
Dabiti?
Dibi.
Dibidi.
Dibi.
Dibi.
Oui.
So agneau. So lamb cooked on a wood fire. Ah. And over here. Très bien. Nothing beats the dimly lit blue in the dining room here. Perfect ambiance. I'm gonna bring this over by the light so you can get a picture of it here. Fuck, looks amazing. Looks like they give you a little dipping sauce or something. Wow, that's fucking unbelievable. The hammering of a butcher's block in the background. That is fantastic meat. Wow. Senegalese barbecue, who knew? I was in New York about 12 hours ago. It really doesn't get any better than hammering greasy hunks of lamb under a dim blue light somewhere in Dakar. The world is not that big after all. Well, 2 thumbs up for meal number 1 in Senegal. That was unbelievable. Just perfectly grilled lamb. Good start. Night falls here in Dakar. Quel est ton plat sénégalais préféré?
Yeah, mon plat sénégalais préféré c'est le kaldou.
Kaldou.
Yeah.
Ok.
Il vient de la Casamance. Fish, fish.
Fish.
Yeah.
Ok, poisson.
Poisson, yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So kaldou.
Kaldou, yeah.
Okay, I look for kaldou tomorrow.
Kaldou, yeah.
So that's it. Tomorrow we'll go find kaldou. Off the recommendation of that fine young man at the hotel. There'll give me something to do in St. Louis. 4 hours from Dakar, and we'll do that tomorrow.